Today, we are opening the doors to our newest state-of-the-art facility right here in the Heartland. I'm so excited to show you behind the scenes. We are at the loading dock, where we receive the fresh ingredients for your favorite menu items.
Step inside and see the scale of our production. We maintain the highest level of food safety and quality control throughout this entire facility.
Welcome to the bun production area. This colossal mixer behind me handles over 1,000 pounds of dough every hour. We keep the heat high to ensure that crust develops perfectly. Look at that color coming through. It's exactly what we're looking for in the final bake.
Every bun undergoes strict quality control. We use these digital calipers to ensure the precise dimensions are met before moving to packaging.
Look at this beautiful golden brioche. The steam rising shows just how fresh it is.
Welcome to our facility. As you can see, we maintain a constant 38 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure freshness throughout the process.
Our commitment to quality begins with our sourcing. We partner exclusively with suppliers who meet our rigorous standards.
As you can see, this is exactly a quarter pound, maintaining our strict 10-to-1 ratio specification.
The cold vapor you see here is proof of the extreme temperatures required for the flash freezing process.
As you can see, the storage capacity here is immense. We track the turnover rate closely to ensure efficiency in these conditions.
Our quality control is rigorous. Notice the production date and lot number printed clearly on the side of the box, ensuring full traceability from the facility to your freezer.
With a grill this size, efficiency is everything. Our team places the frozen patties right onto the hot surface.
You want that grill surface exactly at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and make sure you only cook it for 45 seconds per side. We're comparing the raw frozen state against the final product. Notice the color difference and how the texture changes from icy.
That is the sound of perfection right there. Look at how juicy that is. A satisfying assembly moment indeed.
The key here is the precision. This machine guarantees the signature spiral and exactly ½ an ounce of sauce every single time.
We guarantee freshness and consistency. Exactly 4 slices, perfectly placed on every bun.
The key is in the controlled rehydration process. As you see, we apply a precise 0.2-ounce portion.
Using the 1-ounce portioning scoop ensures both consistency and clean food handling, meeting our professional kitchen standards.
We meticulously examine each slice against these strict color and size requirements, ensuring our products meet the highest quality standards.
As you can see, we center the cheese immediately after the patty hits the optimal temperature.
Yep.
This ensures a uniform melt throughout the carryover cooking time. It is! Just look at the way that cheese melts over the patty. It's flawless. We verify the weight at exactly 7.6 ounces. The 165-degree internal temperature confirms it.
That's it right there. The texture, the flavor profile, absolutely nailed the quality check on this one.
These warming cabinets are set to exactly 140 degrees, guaranteeing that every burger meets our strict food safety standards. As you can see, we pack exactly 48 burgers into each master carton. This ensures efficient delivery to all our regional hubs on time. The tracking system is centered right here on the barcode. We scan it at every stage, verifying the destination, pack time.
We are standing in front of these 20-foot bins filled with the famous Idaho Russet Burbank variety. This is where we store the massive quantities before shipping.
This is the ideal specification for a russet potato. Notice the smooth, dry skin and perfect oval shape.
This is the heart of the hydro cutter. The potatoes are forced through this precise stainless steel grid using high pressure water, ensuring a perfect cut every time.
These are our raw, signature thin-cut fries. We ensure the uniform size and shape meets the exact McDonald's specifications.
As indicated here, the blanching temperature is precisely 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 90 seconds.
You can see here, the blast freezer reaches -40 degrees Fahrenheit. This rapid freezing technology is essential for professional food preservation.
As you can see, the rapid freezing process ensures the formation of these fine ice crystals, locking in the texture.
By scanning this label, we track the lot number and production date for full traceability. This is key to our quality assurance protocols.
We love the consistent golden color and the uniform size of these fries, ensuring a perfect cook every time. Processing area. As you can see, our stainless steel equipment and strict protocols ensure the highest level of food safety.
Regulations. Our commitment to food safety means rigorous temperature control. At 36 degrees, we lock in the freshness breast.
As you can see, this is premium 100% white breast meat. We trim it meticulously to ensure no dark meat.
We offer a variety of shapes, including the boot, the bell, the ball, and the bone, specifically for that all-important child appeal. Our proprietary coating blend utilizes a unique granulation process, giving it superior adherence and that perfect golden color you see right here.
We'll rotate the nugget to confirm the perfect coating coverage. The texture of the breadcrumbs is highly detailed and consistent.
As you can see, the internal temperature has reached the critical 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This confirms the nugget is safe for
3,000 gallons. It's essential for the precise formulation of our syrup concentrate.
By precisely controlling the mixing speed, we ensure the optimal sugar content. The temperature must remain stable at all times. This is how we perform a Brix test. I'll place a drop of the syrup onto the refractometer to verify the sugar concentration.
After applying the syrup, we look through the eyepiece before checking the digital reading. Here we have a stable measurement of 65.2% Brix.
Here in the sauce production zone, you can see the fully automated process. From these tanks, the sauce goes directly to the high-speed capping and bottling line. Here we begin the blending process. Our team is carefully adding the rich, vibrant tomato paste, which forms the foundation of our world-famous ketchup.
Notice how the sample clings to the nitrile glove. This demonstrates the ideal viscosity and consistency we look for in this blend.
We conduct the squeeze test to ensure seal integrity. As you can see, even under pressure, there is no leakage, meeting our high-quality standards.
As you can see, the automated sorting ensures every packet is counted. They are then precisely coordinated to ship alongside the burger orders.
We offer a wide variety of sauce packets. Restaurants can customize their orders based on specific needs, ensuring efficient logistics. As you can see, this facility is where every product converges.
Our total daily output has exceeded all expectations. We are now producing over 40,000 burgers every single day.
As you can see, the robotic arms handle the entire boxing process with incredible precision, streamlining our operations and maximizing efficiency.
We've reached 167 degrees, which meets the critical control point for food safety regulations.
Alone. The multi-point inspection covers appearance, temperature, assembly, and packaging. This ensures strict adherence to.
We ensure that all non-conforming products are immediately segregated and removed from the line, underscoring our commitment to quality. This industrial metal detector is crucial for our food safety protocol. As the products pass through, we ensure there is
versions. As you can see, while automation handles the volume, our team provides the crucial human verification.
Verify the secure closure, meeting the high durability requirements and professional standards for safe transport.
This is how we guarantee the journey from the kitchen to the restaurant in under 2 hours. Our professional logistics timing ensures efficient distribution every time.
This final check is crucial. By systematically verifying the label accuracy of every box,
we maintain a precise 38 degrees Fahrenheit in our trailers. This is crucial for professional cold chain management.
We ensure constant monitoring during transport. As you can see here at 38 degrees, our professional refrigeration technology.
The route takes you directly to the main hubs first.
Got it. And the freezer levels are stable for the full run?
Absolutely. Everything is loaded perfectly.
The system optimized all 8 stops for the fastest route possible.
And the arrival times update automatically with the traffic?
Yes, it integrates real-time data to ensure efficiency.
This truck holds approximately 1,200 burgers, 800 pounds of fries, and 600 nugget boxes. That's professional distribution capacity.
This numbered cable seal ensures tamper-evident security for the cold chain. We verify the number before applying it firmly to the lap.
Our continuous operation model ensures maximum efficiency. During peak hours, a truck departs every 15 minutes. So in summary, this facility supplies 47 McDonald's locations in the city, ensuring fresh ingredients reach every restaurant daily.
we're producing over 40,000 burgers daily, 15,000 pounds of fries, and 8,000 servings of nuggets. Thank you for watching.
This impressive facility runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, utilizing 3 distinct 8-hour shifts to maintain continuous operation.
Thanks to these advancements, we can ensure that millions around the world are fed every single day. It's truly remarkable.